guys, it's Lindsay from A Touch of LA, and I help you celebrate life through party decorations and positivity. Today I'm going to show you how to create favor tags out of the PNGs on my digital parties on my website. So if you have a Cricut or another cutting machine, this one's for you. So after you've purchased your items from my digital parties on my website, you'll get an email that has all of the downloadable files, and I've already saved these to my desktop. So I'm going to come over to Cricut Design Space. As you know, I have a Cricut. If you have a Silhouette or another cutting machine, I would assume it would be similar, but unfortunately I can only show it to you from the Cricut perspective. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload my image, which I've saved to my desktop. I'll click Simple and Continue. Continue again. Make sure that this box is selected, the Save as Print Then Cut image. Then I'm going to go ahead and select it and click Insert Images. Now when it first comes onto the screen, it's going to be very, very large, so you're going to want to size it down. I've created all of my tags to be approximately 2 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. I know that at that size, you can get about 6 to a page when you're printing. So before I duplicate this 6 times to print it, I actually want to add some backing to this. You don't need to do that. You can simply just cut this and you're done. But I'm going to show you how to add some backing. It adds a little bit of thickness to the favor tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this tag and I'm going to come up to print and click no fill. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the color to a pink paper here. And then I'm going to move this to the back. And I'm going to make it a little bigger because it needs to be a little bit bigger than the original. What you can do is unlock the dimensions here. So I'll click that little lockbox and I can move it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and copy this over 6 times to get 6 to a page. Okay, so I've copied it 6 times and I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. So here you can see it's broken it down into 2 different cutting mats. One is the print and cut and the other is the backing. So for me today, I actually don't have a 12 by 12 paper. I actually only have a letter size paper, 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to change that. And then you're going to go up and start your printing. So you're going to hit continue. And then you're going to go ahead and click send to printer. It'll bring up this page here. You'll be able to select your printer and you'll be able to hit print. So now it's just connecting to my machine, which is the Cricut Explorer Air. Right now it's set to cardstock plus. This really depends on whatever kind of cardstock you're cutting with. I'm actually cutting with regular cardstock today, so I'm going to switch that over. So now that we've printed it, we're going to go ahead and put it onto our board here, our Cricut mat. And then you're going to go ahead and put this right in there. You're going to press the blinking arrow button and hit the Cricut button, and it's going to start cutting. Now that I've finished cutting the print and cut, it's already on to the second mat, so we're going to go ahead and load up the pink paper and cut that. Okay, so now that we've cut all of our items with our cutting machine, we're going to go ahead and just finish up our favor tags. And I want to remind you that I have all of my recommended products linked up on each digital party item. So that's everything from the paper I recommend that prints beautiful, vibrant colors, to the ribbon, to the hot glue gun, and on and on. So make sure to go and take a look at that. So we'll go ahead, and the first thing you want to do is probably cut about 10 inches of ribbon. That way it's like 5 on each side when we fold it. Now, if you decided not to do any backing, you can just go ahead and put your ribbon through your tag and you're basically done. But if you wanted to go the extra mile, like I often do with my parties, you have your backing piece. So what we're going to do is we have our hot glue gun here. So I'm just going to hot glue gun the back. And then I'm going to place it on the backing here, and there you go. The other option you can use is sticker paper. I have some sticker paper that I recommend, so if you want to totally skip the hot glue gun part, that's an option as well. We'll just go ahead and put this favor tag together with the ribbon, and we're all set. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial video. I hope it helps you plan the party of your Pinterest dreams. If you need anything else, head over to my website and I've got plenty of resources for more party decorations and positivity.